So guys, welcome back from the bike. Wheeling it. Wheelie on this feels so sick. Oh, look at it, wow. What are you doing now? Okay. Come on, old puppy. Hit a drop. Go up here. Just need to make sure that was up here because they shout at you. Ooh. Let's go. It's too overgrown. You used to be able to drop from there. Drop down there, but it's too overgrown. Let's go and hit the field then. It's like track what joins onto the track what I'm building. Fly with this. Manual. Oh, look at that. Oh, someone down here, great. Hey, what? There's a dog there, but no person. If I can zoom in for you. There's a dog. There's no people around, look. There's no people at all. Why is it just sitting down? One sec guys, I'm just gonna call my mum real quick. Right guys, I'm back. She called my mum. And he just lives just down there, so. Which he lives just like down there, so. We'll be fine. Right, let's get to go and hit the trail. Oh my god, look at this view. You cannot beat this view, look at this. Oh, you cannot just beat this. It's too windy though to do wheelie. Oh my god, I'm getting blown everywhere. Let's hit it. Riding a blooming 1-speed. So, you come through here. And you literally joined into a farmer's lane. Then we'll ride down now, and I'll chat to you about the future of this YouTube channel. So, talk about the future of this YouTube channel. What do you guys think I should do? Because I live pretty close to Sherwood Pines, so I could take my chest mount, head mount to Sherwood Pines, because I've just got this, and I want to do like a mini channel. I mean, to of like just riding around. I mean, look how beautiful that looks. You can't beat that. So yeah, yes. I just want to build a channel. Well, I'll be posting this on the channel I've already got, which is 170 subscribers. So I'm not really a person who asks for subs, but if you want to, you can if you want. But if you like the video, it posts it out more. There's a rabbit. Yo, there's a rabbit. There's a rabbit. So, yeah, I just want to build a channel. Maybe, I don't know, get to 1,000 followers and just have a bit of a sub count. I mean, who wouldn't? So, yeah, I just made this channel for fun. I mean, may as well record myself while I am just doing my mountain biking days, or what I do every day. Oh my god, this is getting a bit overgrown. Haven't been down here in ages. It's pretty crazy down here as well. So I'm just joining onto the main road now, which then I'll just ride back to my house. Yeah, this is pretty nice though. But my camera's pretty low, so I've got to get back quick. Whew. About a mile ride, so. Holy Jesus! I forgot that kicks you a lot. Holy. I normally do wheelie on that little bump, but I forgot it kicks you a lot. That was close. So, just gonna ride back home now. I will go live, but my blooming live got banned because I was just riding around doing wheelies. So yeah, got banned. So my bike is a GT hardtail. Don't jump on what I'm riding right now. Comment below what bike you have, and yeah. Pretty sure it's still recording. Try a sec, guys. My phone's on 10%. I'm just make sure it's still recording. Oh yeah, it's still recording. Just can't see.